Benny whale so big and strong, singing through the ocean long, blowing bubbles, tails go high, splashing waters to the sky. Swim and dive, gentle and grand, Benny rules the ocean land. He glides beneath the foamy crest, feeling waves upon his chest. Fish all swim along his side, riding ocean's rolling tide. Sunlight glints across his back, shining path along his track. He meets a pod of playful friends, where ocean laughter never ends. Dolphins spin and seals all cheer, splashing waters far and near. Every wave and gentle foam feels like Benny's happy home. He dives beneath the coral town, where rainbow fish swim up and down. Crabs all wave and turtles grin, welcoming him deep within. Every creature loves his song, echoing the waters long. At sunset, skies turn pink and gold, Benny hums stories old. Moon above begins to glow, lighting paths for all below. He drifts to sleep with gentle sigh, beneath the calm and starlit sky. And when the dawn lights up the sea, Benny wakes so joyfully. Swim and dive, gentle and grand,